Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, October 15th, 2020. Please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for the moment of silence. You may be seated. Today we're going to have Try It Again Thursday. I realized that yesterday we had a little bit of audio difficulty with our PowerPoint from the nurse, so we're going to give it one more shot today.
Washing your hands is easy, and it's one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs. Wet your hands with clean running water. It can be warm or cold. And apply soap. Lather your hands by rubbing them together with the soap. Wash the fronts and backs, wrists, between your fingers, and under your nails. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. You can sing the ABC song once, or the Happy Birthday song twice. Rinse your hands well under running water and then dry them with a clean towel, or air dry them. Turn off the faucet with a towel. If soap and water aren't available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Apply the sanitizer and rub your hands together until they're dry. This should take about 20 seconds. Wash your hands before you eat or touch your face. And after you use the restroom, go outside, blow your nose, cough or sneeze, or touch your face covering. Remember to follow everyday healthy habits. Wear a cloth face covering, stay 6 feet away from others, and stay home if you're sick. If you have any questions, contact your school nurse, working on the front lines of the COVID-19 pandemic in schools.
Today for breakfast we have a sausage biscuit with jelly or jam and a drink. For lunch we have barbecue fajita on bun, baked beans, and a drink. Tomorrow for breakfast we have cereal and a drink. And for lunch on Friday we have chicken tenders, roll or biscuit, and fruit juice or milk. Today our birthday is Nasiah Timmons. Happy birthday! We have a few announcements. Students, if you still have library books at your house from last year, please remember to bring those back and turn them into Miss Smith in the library. Students and teachers, please remind your parents to send in money for registration and to join our PTO. Teachers, please review our new arrival and dismissal procedures with your students. Remember, our pre-K, kindergarten, and first grade students will continue to enter the hallway by the office, and our second, third, fourth, and fifth grade students will enter and exit on their hallway. Students, you are doing a great job learning your new car line numbers. Remember, you are listening carefully during dismissal to hear your number. When your number is called, you need to be ready with your backpack on and ready to walk down the hallway quickly to come out to the door. You and your brothers and sisters will all be called together for one number. I hope that you have been teaching those big brothers and sisters their numbers, and everyone is ready to go quickly in car line. Students, we have an exciting new award that we'll be granting each week. Starting this week, we will have a Shepherd Supporter of the Week. This award will recognize someone that you nominate. It might be your mom, dad, grandparent, aunt, uncle, cousin, or even a sibling. It is someone that you see on a regular basis that helps you to be successful at school. Maybe they help you practice your math facts or study spelling words or even make sure you have a snack for each day. We will have nomination forms for you to tell us about your favorite Shepherd Supporter and why they should win the award for Shepherd Supporter of the Week. I can't wait to see some nomination forms complete for this. This is our first week, and so far I haven't gotten any nominations. So now is a great time to fill out a form for somebody that you think has helped you a lot with school in some way. So ask your teacher about getting a nomination form or see Miss Gibbs for a form. I can't wait to get our first Shepherd Supporter of the Week. That is all for today's news. I hope you have a thankful Thursday. I am thankful you are here. Have a great day, Kate Shepherd.